Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 3 offline on the Nintendo Switch. First, make sure your game is completely updated and all content is downloaded. This ensures you have the latest version and all game assets available. You'll want to do this while you have a stable internet connection. Also, confirm that your save data is stored directly on your console, not just in the cloud, for seamless offline access. This initial preparation is key for a smooth experience. Now, let's disconnect your Nintendo Switch from the internet. Go to your console's system settings from the home menu. Scroll down and select the internet option. Here, you can simply toggle off the Wi-Fi connection. An even quicker method is to enable airplane mode, which will disable all wireless communications, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This step is crucial to ensure the game doesn't attempt to connect online. With your Nintendo Switch now completely offline, you can confidently launch Diablo 3. The game will recognize that there's no internet connection and will proceed directly to the main menu without trying to connect to online servers. From there, simply choose your character from your locally saved data. You can then dive into the thrilling world of Sanctuary, whether you prefer the campaign or adventure mode, all without needing any internet access. While playing Diablo 3 offline offers great flexibility, there are a few things to keep in mind. You won't have access to online-only features such as seasonal journeys, leaderboards, or multiplayer co-op with friends. Any new game updates or downloadable content will require you to reconnect to the internet to acquire them. Also, remember to monitor your Nintendo Switch's battery life, as offline gameplay still uses power. Enjoy your demon-slaying adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.